All the citizens for Libya, see them get it color. If you pass, you know them, they go pull the trigger. See now,
Mr. Shine on the
all
mix.
you are rotting me, yeah. Plenty men don't fall. Ejiro Osase, they don't die gone. 12 days, 2 months, no food. There's no water. There's no brother in the desert. No love in the desert. Because of you, I risk I take this journey. Yeah. Not because of you, just to give you good life. Arab women, they know me. They turn me to them slave. That's why I've been call you. Why you can't wait, you must get another man. Oh, you don't know everything I've been through, yeah. You don't know how life in desert, how we had. You don't know all the suffer kata way I face, yeah. You don't know my trip to Libya, girl. You don't know I enter lakba, you don't tell me to lekba. My bugger money fuck me up. I love Libya, alive. Pass Nigeria, pass Liberia, pass Algeria. Not because of you, loving desert, not 50-50. Because of you, after prison to one prison, another prison, yeah. I remember in the homie, then told me to the slave. That's why I be no call you, but you can't wait, you don't get everything I've been through, yeah. You don't know how life in desert, how we had. You don't know all the suffer kata way I face, yeah. You don't know my trip to Libya, girl. You don't know. Je ne savais pas. L'aventure était dit comme ça. Oh, c'est la route de Libya. Hey, j'ai perdu beaucoup de pression. C'est la route de Libya. Dans la vie de Libya, c'est pas facile du tout. Libya, c'est pas facile, la Libya n'est pas tes pas. Libya, c'est pas facile pour mes frères qui sont là-bas.